that don't get you hype, I don't know what will. All right, guys, we're at the Alfa Romeo dealership out here in McKinney, doing a little ride and drive today. Gonna drive the Giulia and maybe the Stelvio. So we'll take a look at both of those vehicles, see how we like them. All right, guys, so I'm gonna drive the Stelvio. Wow.
Okay, so if you want to completely start from anew, I left it running so the AC can kind of blow through here. But to stop and start it, you're going to press your foot on the brake and then push this button here, where you're going to press it down and release it back to get it in drive, and forward to get it into reverse. For parking, you're going to push down. That's it. Super easy. And then if you do know how to drive manual, you're more than welcome to drive manual. Just remember, this right now is your car, your vehicle, so if you get a ticket, that's on you, okay?
Don't you put that evil on me, Ricky Bobby! Don't you put that on us!
And then there's 3 different types of modes. Oh, 4, but we can't do the race mode. So today there's 3.
Race mode, okay.
So we have automatic, neutral, and dynamic. Automatic's gonna be what shuts the engine off completely when you're in a...
Stop, start, and all that.
Yep, all of that. Dynamic basically shuts off the main part of the engine, but still keeps the AC blowing. Okay. Race mode is what's going to be like the most performance mode that there is. There's basically no turnover time whenever you're going from one gear to the next. Okay. So it makes the handling easier and faster. Good to go.
All right. What's the price on that?
This exact model is going to run you $85.
$85?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep.
Well, that steering wheel feels awesome.
Yes, so this is including optional equipment. So without that base price, you're looking at $79.
Okay.
All right.
Well, let's
rock and roll.
Definitely got some get up and go.
Yep. It's not your typical mom car.
No, not at all. The steering is really nice and tight for an SUV.
Same engine as the Giulia.
Okay.
Same exact. And this light will take a right as well. We're going to go all the way down so you get another chance to punch it.
All right.
Yeah. You guys missed our performance drive event. We did one in West Village where we had like a professional driver come out and he, basically drove it like a race car. That was awesome. Thought for multiple times when we were on 2 wheels.
It's very comfortable. I thought it would be a little bit more beat you up.
Yeah, a little bit more rigid.
Yeah.
No, yeah, this car is very comfortable. I think the normal Giulia, the standard, is a little bit. If you're a man, I feel like it's probably a little bit harder for you to get comfortable. But the bucket seats in the Quadrifoglio version of the Giulia, that guy was 6'7" that just got out of his car, and he was like, "Man, I'm actually very surprised. Like my head is close to the ceiling, but not like some." He was like, just trusted in the Porsche and the Corvette. Yeah, those are very low cars. So they would be sitting all the way down and basically like inside. Yeah, basically inside the hood. I was going to say, yeah.
I'm trying to compare this to my friend has a C450 AMG, and his rides differ a lot different than this. That's why I was kind of surprised.
Yeah. Straight shot.
That was already at the speed limit.
That's crazy, right? That's awesome though. It takes like 2 seconds. It's so awesome.
It's like 1, 2 ticket.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love this red with these brake calipers. All right, how do I move the seat? Because
So there's a handle.
all right, so it should be about similar, right?
Yep, same. And then you'll come out here and turn to the right.
Yeah, these steering wheels feel awesome going to tear. Yeah, this one's got more kick. Kicks you in the back. I was telling the other young lady that I felt, well, I was expecting it to be a lot rougher. I thought it was going to be kind
Yes,
of very comfortable.
everyone's very surprised, very smooth.
Now this, I can automatically tell the weight difference. It's a lot more quick to respond to steering.
Yes.
I like how clean the dash is with the infotainment. It looks like it just kind of melts into the rest of it. Everybody's running their errands, getting in our way.
Yeah, waking up,
I like how the exhaust, it comes on when you get into it, but right now we can talk and it's just nice and quiet.
So, yeah, because every car a little bit different. Every friend that will play voices from other cars.
First came out, people were like, what is that? Everybody's all standing around gawking.
Yes. Yeah, I was at one of the cars in Cannoli, and they had the McLaren to test drive, and they were talking about the Stelvio. So they're like, oh, I wonder about kind of one of those. Because they like the sporty, it's fast, and of course everyone loves cars, so it was just different.
Yes, I drove a McLaren 12C. And it's raw. Like, it will, if you're not a good driver, you're gonna crash it.
Yeah.
Point blank. And then all these little undulations in the road, you be just like, it's very still.
But this makes this one a great move. You can just, you don't have, well, especially for me, you don't have to be a good driver.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah, it's very accessible. Like, if you bought this car, it could still be a family car.
Yes. There have been a lot of people that drive it today. They mentioned that. It's great. You can have a family in there. It's still sporty. It still has a lot of the features that I would like.
Got it now. I didn't know how to get in reverse last time.
See, it's made for you.
Boom. Let's go, Money Mills. There you go. There you go.
Tell me what you think about these cars in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching. 728 out.